Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshir Rahman. Dear viewers, welcome to Moshir English, a channel for teaching English language and literature. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about Irish English. Okay, Ireland is a very fine country. Dear students, Ireland is famous for its scenic coastlines. There are many beautiful villages and towns along the shoreline. Besides, the cliffs of Moher are the most attractive landmarks in Ireland. Dear students, the current population of Ireland is around 5 million. They express their feelings of mind using Irish English. Today I am going to teach you about that Irish English. Okay. In general English, it is flower. In Irish English, it is blood. In general English, it is flower. In Irish English, it is blood. In general English, it is book. In Irish English, it is labor. In general English, it is book. In Irish English, it is liver. In general English, it is pen. In Irish English, it is pin. In general English, it is pen. In Irish English, it is pin. In general English, it is library. In Irish English, it is liverlen. In general English, it is library. In Irish English, it is liverlen. In general English, it is mango. In Irish English, it's mango, the same. In general English, it is apple. In Irish English, it is owl. In general English, it is apple. In Irish English, it is owl. In general English, it is fun. In Irish English, it is cake. In general English, it is fun. In Irish English, it is cake. In general English, it is please. In Irish English, it is leather-tail. Leather-tail. Oh, there are some slang words of Ireland. Some Irish English slangs. For example, in general English, it is how are you? In Irish English, it is what is the story? In Irish English, it is the what is the story? In general English, it is well done. In Irish English, it is fair play. In general English, it is well done. In Irish English, it is fair play. In general English, it is okay. In Irish English, it is grand. In general English, it is okay. In Irish English, it is grand. In general English, it is goodbye. In Irish English, it is slan. In general English, it is goodbye. In Irish English, it is slan. Dear students, I have finished teaching about Irish English. If you have any question, write in the comment box. Dear students, for more videos and latest news, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.